subscribe to our channel.
7 tips to calm down after an anxiety attack. Anxiety attacks, which vary in degrees of severity, are triggered by catastrophic thoughts. They often come on quickly, which is why it's so important to become familiar with these tips so you can start treating an attack as soon as possible. 1. The rescue remedy. One of the most effective treatments, as its name suggests, is the rescue remedy. This formula combines several floral essences to come to the aid during any emergency, nervous breakdown, or states of shock. The rescue remedy is a mixture of 5 Bach flowers: cherry plum, Clematis, Impatiens, rock rose, star of Bethlehem. They can be purchased in herbalist shops and some pharmacies. This remedy can be used by anyone as it comes with no contraindications. It's a good idea to always have some on hand. At the first signs of an anxiety attack, place 4 drops in a glass of water and sip slowly. 2. Breath control. Breathing deeply is crucial during any crisis because the symptoms can come on so quickly. That's why it's so important to focus on your breath as soon as you feel it beginning to accelerate. Sit down and try to breathe deeply and calmly, filling your abdomen and then your chest. Place your hands across your stomach to make it easier to focus on the movement. 3. Eye movements. Eye movements can help control anxiety, sadness, and depression. When you're feeling down, your eyes are often looking down. So to combat and prevent anxiety, you need to force yourself to look up. You need to do this with your eyes, not your head. In just a few minutes, you'll notice the negative feelings disappearing. 4. Essential oils. Essential oils have therapeutic properties that we can take advantage of to treat and prevent health problems. To treat an anxiety attack, we want to choose essential oils with relaxing and balancing properties. Don't be afraid to take your personal preferences into account as well. We recommend the following essential oils: lavender, basil, bergamot. You can use essential oils in a room perfume or electronic diffuser. 5. Cold water on the eyelids. A simple trick to prevent an anxiety attack involves applying a stream of cold water over your closed eyes. If you want, you can use it on the rest of the face as well. Cold hydrotherapy is a really simple natural way to relax the body and prevent an attack. 6. Magnesium bath. Magnesium is a mineral that has an important balancing effect on the nervous system. It's most commonly consumed as a supplement. For a faster effect, you can take a bath with magnesium sulfate, otherwise known as Epsom salt. Add a half a cup of Epsom salt to your regular bath and soak in it for at least 20 minutes. The bath will relax and revitalize you without needing to take a supplement. 7. Personalized homeopathy. Homeopathy is a type of natural medicine that allows you to treat health problems without any contraindications or side effects. Ideally, you should consult a homeopathic professional to evaluate your case and recommend personalized homeopathic medication and treatment. This way you can always keep what you need on hand to take as a preventative at the first signs of an anxiety attack. There are many effective remedies out there for anxiety. However, you need to take your personal needs and other health problems into consideration when choosing the most appropriate remedy. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.